Right, let's have a go at this nickel plating thing again and see if we can get it right this time without putting any zinc in it. Need to make some new sulphate up, so a bit of vinegar. That's a litre-ish. Salt. Not too much, a couple of teaspoons. Salt's gone lumpy already. Salt's gone very lumpy already. Probably do. I'm no expert. I haven't got a clue. We've had a good mix in. Just to aid continuity and conductivity. Alright, I've got some fresh zinc anodes. One thing I keep on forgetting to do is buy some new crop clips, because the ones I've got are a bit poop, a bit small. Note to self, get some bigger ones. Oh, buried. Right, let's turn it on, see what happens, see if we get any bubbling. There we go. Negative's bubbling away quite happily. I'm going to give that about 3 hours and see how much of a nickel solution we get.
3 hours later.
So, 2 hours 55 minutes in, we've got a lovely green colour. Let's move to the next stage. Right, next bit I've got is some nickel chloride. There's 10 grams in there. It should give me about a 10% ratio. And I'm wearing hand protection and eye protection with this stuff. I'm doing this while the solution's still warm, so it helps it dissolve a bit better.
1 minute later.
You know what? We're about a 5 there. Oh, well, maybe about a 4 actually. Aiming for 4.5. I think we're there. I already can see that. You know what? That'll do me. Let's put a test piece in. You know what? For good measure, I'm adding a little bit of boric acid just to adjust the pH a little bit towards acid rather than alkaline. If we go 2 of them.
One eternity later.
Right, so I've got a test piece cleaned up, same as last time. Let's give that a go. Mrs. hassling me. Why don't you spend your time with your family? Negative. We'll go with 3 volts, 3.3 volts. That's in there. Let's turn it on. That's doing something. We've got bubbles. I will now give that 30 minutes. Right, let's have a look. Well, it appears we've done something. Get it off and give it a proper rinse. That's good. Let's rinse out in some clean water. as you can see, copper's coated, which is good. That seems to have come out all right. Nice even coat. I think that was a back piece which won't be coated. So let's try something a little bit more technical.
The next day.
So I've got another little test piece in, which is I've previously nickel plated fairly well. We'll see how it goes. And 3.3 volts. Give it half an hour. See what happens. There, yeah, we're getting a bit of action. That's been 30 minutes. Let's have a look. Oh yes, definitely a lot better. You can see that. It's coming out quite nicely. You know what I'm going to do? Let's hold it in the camera. Spin that around a bit, and I'm going to give it another 30 minutes. See what happens. So there we are then. Marked improvement on my previous efforts. Very happy with it. So I can start plating up some little bits and protect them a little bit from the elements rather than going rusty. Thanks for watching.